Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how to use your Qiong tickets from the Active Bounty Season 3 chest reward. I believe we've all claimed our reward from the Active Bounty Season 3 events. So some of you must have seen the Qiong tickets when I unlocked my reward. It was on the epic chest with 200 keys. So I got 25 Qiong tickets, 0.4 human credit score, and some test ITL tokens. So to use the Qiong tickets, you come to Marketplace and you select Lucky Spin. Lucky Spin is where you're going to use your Qiong tickets. Lucky Spin is brought to you by Qiong Entertainment. So you open, you will see my 25 Qiong tickets, which I have not even used anyone at all. So you sign in. So this is Lucky Spin. You can see I have 25 tickets, just like I mentioned. And you can see my balance. That's 277,799. So let's take that into note, because this spin would also reward ITLG. So let me use the first spin. This is better luck next time. Use another spin. 50 IDLG. You can see my balance is now increasing. Now I have 277,849. So continue using the spin. And this I got 20. This is a try again. 50. Let me see if I can get to 280 with all of this spin. Is it possible? I still have 19 spins. 20 again. Why can't I get the 100? Even the USDT. So much. Try again next time. Seems like the system is rigged. What's the meaning of this now? Okay, let me go back and open again. Why are they trying to use try again to waste my spins? Okay, this is 50. This is 20. 20 again. So I have 11 spin left. 50. You see this try again, they keep using to waste my spin. USDT is there, they will not give me USDT. Another try again. 20, 20. It's remaining 6 seconds. Now they fix distance to only give 50, 20 and try again. The other rewards are just there for decoration, I guess. Okay, so I'm actually out of spin. Don't bother trying to buy spins. It's not going to favor you. So now I have 278 to 59. So that's how you make use of your Qiong tickets. Can see my balance. For the um, test ITL, I've not seen that on my wallet yet. I don't know when it will be distributed. Maybe in batch. It's what I have before the event that I still have. Okay, I want some plain bit flip. This is 0.216. I want some plain bit flip predicts. Yes, so that's how you use your tickets. So go ahead and make use of your tickets. Once your ticket is exhausted, don't buy extra tickets with your ITLG. It's going to be a waste. Imagine spending your ITLG to buy ticket and getting try again next time. So don't do that. Only use free ticket to spin. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you've not claimed yours yet, there's a video on that. I'm going to leave the video in the link of this video so you can watch. Copy your wallet address and paste. Claim the chest reward you wish to claim and collect your rewards. So that's all I have for you guys today. Like this video, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.